Today we will make Palak chicken or Saag chicken. A lot of people call it that. For that, I have about 2 bunches of spinach, roughly chopped. I have green peppers to taste. I have a few ginger and garlic pieces. The ginger pieces are like roughly chopped and I kept the garlic whole. And salt. This is part 1. That is the saag part. Now, if we come here, you'll see this is the part for the... We'll need about... This is chicken breast, so it's about 1.5 pounds of chicken. Here I have bay leaves, a couple of black cardamoms, 4 cloves, peppercorns, couple of cinnamon, and about 4 or 5, you can add 5 also, green cardamoms. About 1.5 cup of browned onions, 1 cup yogurt, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, green chilies chopped to taste, about 1/2 cup of chopped coriander leaves. These are tomatoes, they are from my yard, so that's why they're still a little hard. I freeze them when they are in season. And here are the spices: red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, there is a garam masala, and I have the haldi powder, and there will be salt. Here I have the spinach in the pot. I put all the ginger garlic pieces, the whole green peppers. I'll put some water to start the process, and here is some salt to taste, and I will cook it till it's all done. So here is the second cup, low flame, and cover. We'll just leave it alone, and we'll proceed to the next part, which is the chicken. Here is the oil heated. All these garam masala spices I will put in there. I will let it sizzle a little bit. While that's sizzling, what I have here is the chicken. I put the ginger garlic paste on there, and I'll just mix the paste in it nicely. Because the onions are already brown. If your onions are not brown and you're using fresh onions, then brown your onions first and then put the chicken. So this we will just put this first. Okay, so we'll add the chicken. Fry till it becomes opaque. The flame has to be high. But this is the breast. It's a very dry meat, so you don't want to overcook it so it will get all dry and stringy. So it has to be very quick cooking so it seals in the juices, because it's the breast, remember. So you see most of the water has evaporated and the oil is separating. So I will add my tomato first. Green chilies. Try to put the tomatoes and salt kind of together, like tomatoes first and salt right away. That helps to soften the tomatoes. Now once this is done, I'll put all these things, like again, coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, garam masala, and turmeric powder. I'll put all of them together. And I'll cook it till the oil separates. So we have to cook it. Don't cover it, just cook it till it all gets mixed up. Put the yogurt, the coriander leaves, and I'll stir it. Now I'll not add any water, okay? Because we want it to cook in its own juices. So adding water will make the breast more dry. So I'll just cover it and reduce the flame. Let's move on to the spinach. Should be done by now. Oh yes. So yes, the spinach is all done. See, it's mashing pretty good. So I'll turn the flame off and I'll wait for it to cool down, and then I'll grind it thickly while this guy is cooking over here. been sitting like this for 5 minutes. Let's see. Okay, this looks pretty nice. Smells really good. And see how the oil has separated. You see? Looks pretty good, huh? Now I'll add a cup of water and let it simmer for about 10-15 minutes. And we'll take care of the spinach in the meantime. Palak. Here is the palak. Okay. Let's see what we have here. See how the oil has started very nicely releasing. So I'll bhuno this a little bit. Bhuno is, what is bhuno in English? Saute. I'll just keep sauteing it, frying it a little bit for more oil to release. You know, you can make palak paneer also like that. The recipe that we use for the chicken, you will make paneer in there instead, and then you will put this palak in there. So you can make palak paneer also, this exactly the same recipe. Just replace the chicken. So I will lower the flame. I let it steam for about 5-10 minutes, and then I will top it off with kasuri methi. Let's take a look. Beautiful. So I have this kasuri methi. Just crush it and put over it. So if you notice how we have this oil that is separated in restaurants, what they generally do is they'll just put boiled palak in there and they add oil from top, and that's pretty yucky, you know, the masala oil they will add. This has its own oil that the chicken has been cooked in. So I'm just going to cover it, turn it off, and just let it sit for a little bit before I will start to plate it. Okay, let's serve.